Hello, this is Diné here, and in this video, I wanted to talk to those remote workers who are feeling like the loneliness that they experience is just a part of the remote work lifestyle. And I know these feelings are coming up for you, and the thoughts that you won't be able to get out of this feeling unless you go back into the workplace, unless you socialize more, feeling like you can't break the feeling, the sensations that you're experiencing. And the idea mainly comes from the fact that you are alone, which you need to be in order to focus on the work that you're doing. And so logically, it seems that because I'm alone, then I'm going to feel lonely. And as a result, you'll get feedback or suggestions that it may be more beneficial for you to work around others, to work in a space where there are other individuals who are also working, so you don't have that alone feeling. And logically, yes, it makes sense, but we have to keep in mind that there are others who are working from home, who thrive and truly appreciate having their own space, working by themselves. And the loneliness feeling doesn't creep in for them. And actually, they feel more productive as they're working from home. So it's not just a matter of being around people, it's not a matter of heading back into that workspace. The real underlying reason why loneliness is coming up for you is because there's something subconscious going on. There's something subconscious creating those thoughts around why the lonely feeling is arising for you. And so, unless you look at what is really going on at a subconscious level, you'll be spinning in circles trying to get to the root cause. And it's not always obvious, which is why it's called subconscious. If it was obvious and it was available, information was available for you, then it would be a conscious understanding. So, if you have tried many different things and you're not able to get to the root cause of why you're feeling lonely, it's worth considering exploring what may be going on at a subconscious level. And that is exactly what I do in the conversations that I have with remote workers who are trying to get over, trying to get past that feeling of being lonely so they can be more productive, can thrive, can appreciate those times that they're alone, working alone, and be able to thrive when they're not working alone, when they are working around others, when they are working with others. So the fact of working remotely is a non-issue. And once the underlying issue is revealed, then you'll find that you'll have that connection that you so crave, the connection to be around others when you're with others, and the connection to yourself, to feel grounded, to feel confident in the work that you're doing. So if you want to learn more, feel free to reach out to me using my profile Calendly link, and let's work to get you feeling more connected. Thank you for listening, and until next time, goodbye.